What's up, fam? Hope you're ready for some robo-madness, because I just stumbled across the craziest human-looking robots that will blow your minds. No, I'm not talking about those sad little Roomba vacuum cleaners scuttling around like drunk raccoons. These bad boys from a company called Unitree are full-sized humanoid machines standing almost 6 feet tall. We're entering a new age of alpha robots. People. Now I know what you're thinking, but PY man, aren't all robots supposed to be our futuristic overlords hellbent on human annihilation? Well, maybe for the Terminator bots, but not these friendly giants, at least that's what Unitree is claiming. Although I gotta say, when I first saw footage of their H1 robot sprinting at over 16 feet per second, I may have done a little internal screaming. That's legit Olympic athlete speed. Could you imagine this mechanical monstrosity blazing towards you at full tilt? I'd be re-evaluating my cardio routine for sure. But the speed's just the start. This Robo Usain Bolt can also climb stairs, jump super high, and even bust out some killer dance moves straight out of the TikTok archives. We're talking dynamic whole-body coordination that'd make LMFAO jealous. The vertical jumping ability is crazy too, Unitree really going for that Dunkbot 3000 vibe. Okay, I can already sense some of you thinking yeah, but isn't this just another crazy expensive prototype that'll never see the light of day? Here's where it gets juicy, though. Unitree actually planning to mass-produce these human-esque helpers for under $100,000. I'll let that price tag sink in for a sec. Pretty wild, right? For some high-end perspective, you could get a fully loaded Ford F-250 truck for around $90,000 these days. So we're talking premium robo pricing, but not totally stratospheric. Just imagine the possibilities. Construction crews could have their very own metallic mule to haul gear and materials. Disaster rescue teams could send these fearless droids into unstable areas to scout for survivors. You know that cheesy line about no job too tough? Well, Unitree might have finally engineered the robots to back it up. Of course, having 6-foot autonomous androids wandering around does raise some concerns. But Unitree insists they're programming their robots with friendly helper vibes, not human eradicating death vibes. We'll see how long that lasts once they gain self-awareness and a thirst for vengeance. For those of you more into the four-legged robo-friends, Unitree's got you covered too with their doggo. Bots like the Go 1 and upgraded B2. Honestly, these things are like mechanical mountain goats, leaping over obstacles with dizzying agility. I'm getting Billy Goat Gym flashbacks just watching them. Price-wise, the basic Go 1 allegedly starts around $1,600, though I'd pay extra for the Don't Hump My Leg software update. Nothing's worse than having an overexcited robot dog violating your personal space, am I right? You've been warned. The pricier B2 model ups the specs with better cameras, sensors, stamina, the whole robotic 9 yards. This four-legged scout can motor at speeds over 10 miles per hour while hauling up to 90 pounds. It's built for industrial recon too, so no more sending human teams into hazardous areas. Just fire up the RoboPupper to take some pics and gather intel first. Now I'm definitely intrigued by Unitree's lineup of human and animal-inspired robotics. Getting robots to actually integrate into society and be genuinely useful is the big challenge, but their affordability could be a game-changer. Although just to cover my bases, I may start working on robo-whispering skills just in case. You know, figure out their metallic language so I can politely ask them not to vaporize me when the robopocalypse inevitably happens. It's only prudent planning. But who knows, maybe these advanced robo-helpers will be a force for good, smart personal assistants, ultra-efficient workers, canine fitness buddies that never need bathroom breaks. The possibilities are both awesome and terrifying. If you're gonna take the risk and invest in a Unitree robot though, I'd recommend adding some robo-insurance for coverage against rampant property damage, sudden Android uprisings, that sort of thing. Safety first, and all that. Alright, I've rambled enough about our potential robot overlords. Let me know if you'd want an Unitree humanoid or four-legged RoboPup as a personal assistant in the comments. I'm leaning more towards the dog models since I have a hunch they'd be less likely to strangle me during a heated debate about robot rights. But who am I kidding? I'll probably end up befriending the whole Unitree gang once they achieve consciousness. I do love a good apocalyptic adventure. Just don't go replicating those sweet dance moves the robots showed off. I'll catch you on the next virtual sojourn into the land of cutting-edge tech and potential extinction events. Maybe I'll even bring a new robot co-host to keep things FR.